Here are 4 things to know about Google's newest AI model. 1. Master of Multiverse. Dive into a new era with Gemini. It deciphers complexities across text, images, audio, video, and code, bringing a unified understanding to the digital universe. 2. Versatility redefined. Gemini takes scalability to the next level. It's not just efficient, it's a tech chameleon optimized for Nano, Pro, and Ultra, seamlessly powering everything from data centers to your mobile devices. 3. Ultra Performance Benchmark Conqueror. Brace yourselves. Gemini Ultra not only outshines its predecessors but sets new industry benchmarks, delivering state-of-the-art results that redefine what's possible. 4. Safety and inclusion at its core. Gemini cares about everyone. With the most extensive safety evaluations in Google AI history, it's designed to be a beacon of inclusivity, setting a new standard for responsible AI.